friends, Running Kimono here. So we have your best paper deals over at Walgreens for the week of January the 25th to the 31st. You have right until the end of the week to do these deals in store, or you could do them curbside, some of them. And I'm just going to show you the best deals. And I know a lot of you are dealing with a really bad snowstorm and the cleanup that follows after, so you have until later this weekend to do the deals. Now, I forgot to mention this yesterday, but the Ross's Dress for Less 49-cent sale, some items 49 cents, began on Monday the 26th. I will link a video at the very end about this specific sale. I know a lot of you are going to be interested because 49 cents is a very good price point. Okay, back to Walgreens. We're doing this first deal curbside with the app. And I know a lot of us were trying to track down the paper towel last week, and my store had a ton. And then I'm like, I'm going to look in the app just for fun. And then it said there was nothing there. But then when you went to add it into your cart, guess what? It's there. I don't know if that's a default or what, but if you could not get in on the paper towels last week, do this curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. They are $3.99 for these 6 counts of the paper towel or the 9 count of the toilet paper, and it is the Walgreens brand. 3 of them is $11.97. Using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $1.20. So if you do this in store, you're not going to save that $1.20. So doing it curbside is just a little bit better. And then just to show you guys, $11.97 subtracting WAG10. A little bit of tax, so the price point here is $11.42. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you might have it, pay $1.42 and go and get your paper. A very good deal. And if you want to mix and match the $3.99 toilet paper with the paper towel, you can do that as well. And if you want to double this, and it would be $22.90, you can use up to $20 in Walgreens cash and go and make this deal happen. The last 3 deals we're doing completely in store because they all are based on register rewards. The first is for the Brawny and the Quilted Northern at $5.99. When you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. That register reward is in store only. So we're going to load these 2 friends. We have $1 off of that Brawny paper towel and $1 off the Quilted Northern. I know there are some shoppers that really love the fancy, so this is fancy paper. 2 of these is $11.98. Subtracting $2 in digital coupons, you're paying $9.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The next in-store deal, this is a really great one this week. It is to get an assortment of paper products that are on sale and tagged for $5.49. When you buy 4 of these, you're getting back a $5 register reward. So you're grabbing a Bounty, a Charmin Essential, Charmin toilet paper, and then a Puffs. That Puffs you might have to look through the store because it might be a little harder to find. You're going to load the following dollar digital coupons as instructed, and then also there is $1 for the Puffs, but I didn't include it, but I'm pretty sure you can imagine what it looks like. And here's the math. Grabbing an assortment of those P&G paper products at $5.49 a unit. 4 of them is $21.96. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons, you'll pay $17.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have register rewards, say from Colgate or any other deal, the Dove hair care, you want to throw in some of those register rewards to get a lesser out of pocket, by all means go for it, just so you're not paying a huge out of pocket. So just an alternative idea. Final deal that we're looking at is if you have some register rewards to burn, you have to do this deal in store. It is to grab 4 units of the Scott's Comfort Plus, or alternatively you can mix and match it with the paper towel that's on the same promotion. I'll be really honest, the Walgreens brand paper towel is a better value than the Scott's one. Just you get more paper and it's much more absorbent, in my humble opinion, but take my opinion however you want to. But I would grab 4 of these toilet papers. Currently, they're buy one, get one 50% off. So for 4 of them, it's exactly $15. Because you're doing this in store, you can use register rewards. You cannot use the code WAG10 because of the discount of 50% off. It's just not allowing me to do it. But say you have a $5 register reward and you want to throw that in and throw in $10 in Walgreens cash, it's a way to get your paper growing. And I think a lot of us are growing our stockpiles of paper right now. So just an alternative deal for more Scott, and I would go and make some of these deals happen this week. Remember, guys, you can always do a curbside deal and pick it up 3 days later, or alternatively, you have in-store right till the 31st, which is Saturday. So hopefully they'll clear the snow by then. Good luck, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.